So you're an aspiring author, and I just want to say congratulations to you for even embarking on this journey on becoming a self-published author. I invite you to attend the upcoming virtual book expo to meet more authors who have already went down the journey. My father used to say, a wise man learns from other people's mistakes, but a fool learns from their own. And I take it that you're the wise man. So why not get an opportunity to meet other authors who may be in your selective industry who have already self-published their books. Also, you'll be able to interact with other experts as far as media, publishing, marketing, and more. All of the essential tools that you need to gain that exposure to have a successful first book launch. Also, on this new interactive platform, you'll be able to not only listen to awesome speeches from our main stage, but you'll also be able to go through a speed networking, meaning that on this platform, it will randomly select new people for you to meet, just as if you were at an actual live. And if you come across one of our virtual vendor booths and you have a specific question about that book or either their services that they're offering to our attendees, you're able to actually click the button and chime in and FaceTime with the vendor at their booths. So this is a new opportunity and a new way to engage on an online platform with not only individuals who are attending this event, but also with the speakers and the experts that are going to be at the event also. Above everything else, we could not have this event without giving you guys the opportunity to attend a workshop. So for the aspiring authors, we will give you some pointers and tips and also links that you could be able to access in order, where do I go to self-publish? How much does it really cost? What is it that I need? What is the checklist that I need in order to be a successful published author? So we want to make sure that we're able to provide all that for you. So go ahead and click the link below to register immediately to attend the upcoming virtual book expo. And we would like to include your book in the lineup. So click the link to register immediately.